Hey guys, hope you're having a okay morning so far. We're going to go ahead and go through this review very quickly. So on number 1 through 4, these are two-step equations. Just checking to see where you guys are at here. First thing we need to do, remember I've told you always get rid of your addition subtraction. So what is being added or subtracted to this n? That plus 4. How am I going to get rid of it? Minus 4. If I'm minus 4 on one side, I'm minus 4 on the other. Okay, that leaves me with n divided by 14. That cancels, equals 1. How do I get rid of division? Multiply. So I'm going to take my n, I'm going to multiply this side by 14. That cancels, but I have to come over here and multiply by 14, and I get that n equals 14. Over here on number 2, we're going to start by getting rid of that minus 6. Because it's a minus, I'm going to plus. Okay, guys, don't be big macho people with this. Use your calculators. We have 3n, plug it in, negative 60 plus 6 is a negative 54. And again, use your calculators. To get rid of this multiplication, we're going to divide both sides by 3. And when we do that, plug into your calculator, negative 54 divided by 3, and that gives me that n equals negative 18. Number 3, same as number 2, start by getting rid of your addition subtraction. In this problem, that is our plus 7, so I'm going to minus 7 on both sides. Pay attention to your signs. Negative 119 minus 7 is negative 126. Split that 7 from the a using division. Divide both sides by 7, and we get that a equals, again, negative 18. And then going over to number 4. Number 4 is just like number 1. Okay, we got to get rid of the addition subtraction first, so I need to get rid of the minus 4 by adding 4. Add 4 over here. Now don't be silly. N divided by 2 equals negative 4 plus 4. Guys, that's 0. Get rid of your division by multiplying. Multiplying. Again, don't be silly here. 0 times 2 is 0. Okay? Let's go ahead and move to the next 4 problems. Okay? On these next 4, I want you to put them into slope-intercept form. I told you guys the other day, first thing you need to do, move that x to the other side. I'm going to subtract 3x minus 3x. When I do that, be careful right here. This is a negative 1y equals 4 minus 3x. Now I've got to get rid of that negative 1, so I'm going to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Watch your signs. I end up with y equals negative 4 plus 3x. If you left it as 3 over 1x, that's fine. Rotate these two numbers around. You should have y equals 3x minus 4. Number 6, this is your basic problem. Subtract the x, divide by the y. Minus 7x, minus 7x. That leaves me with 8y equals negative 48 minus 7x. Divide by the y, so everything gets divided by 8. Everything, guys. And that leaves me with y equals negative 6 minus 7 over 8x. Flip these two around. You should have y equals negative 7 over 8x minus 6. On number 7, guys, it's already in slope-intercept form. You just got to write it the right way. Y equals negative 2x plus 2. That was it. On my 8, it's already there, except I've got this negative 1. So I'm going to divide by negative 1 on each of these, and I end up with y equals negative 4x minus 5. Flip it around. Y equals negative 4x minus 5. Okay? your next two problems. Okay? Okay. I flat out tell you your slope is -3, your y-intercept is 0. So y equals -1/3x plus 0. If you left it as y equals -1/3x, that's fine too. If you do not have your x, I will take off points. This is kind of fun. It's like I'm right here. I can feel myself that I would regularly say that to you. Y equals 7/3x minus 4. Okay? Notes to the sub. They can use this sheet. They can, if you want to put on the board slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Good luck on your quiz, guys. I'll see you on, today's Wednesday. I'll see you guys Friday. Bye.